The first disequilibrium turns into motion, initiating the fall. Gravity, by pulling away, leaves a void that sucks in neighboring order. A disturbance sweeps through the nothingness, awakening the rest of the laws. The space-time canvas begins to oscillate uncontrollably. Each sector of the cosmos responds to the previous impact in an inevitable sequence. The balance that sustained eternity crumbles step by step. Orphaned of gravity, the three remaining forces cling together in desperation. Without their anchor, the strong and weak forces begin to repel each other. Electromagnetism overflows, searching for a balance that no longer exists. What once was unity is now an internal struggle to survive. The accumulated tension discharges onto the space-time grid. The straight lines of primitive order bend and break. The first fracture of the grid pushes the next one to collapse. The incalculable heat of friction forces a violent discharge. The knot stretches to the limit, ready to transfer its chaos to space.
The tear advances like an invisible domino, section by section. Through the cracks of the broken grid, the void spills its own instability. The collapsed grid creates a canyon of void in the fabric of space. The released energy clashes against the boundaries of space and bounces in waves. The void is no longer uniform. It breaks into islands of different pressure. The disequilibrium forces primitive matter to move, to seek rest. A chaotic and irregular heartbeat replaces the silence of the ancient unity. Asymmetry pushes physical laws into constant transformation. A tide of instability floods the foundations of the new universe. The disequilibrium becomes so dense that it begins to generate its own attraction. Gravity, now free, looms from a distance, curving the fabric. The pillars of the old order fall one by one with no possibility of return. The chain collapse reaches the deepest corners of primitive space. What remains of the original symmetry trembles before the final push. The last domino piece falls, opening the door to a new and inevitable deviation.